So for hardwoods, do you replace them or do you refinish them or do you cover them? My suggestion is to refinish them, right? Because replacing them can turn into a whole domino effect, right? You go to tear hardwoods out, what does that subfloor look like, right? Is it the old school plats? Is the subfloor kind of falling apart as you're pulling those hardwoods out, right? Are you gonna have to nail down some of the subfloor after you're done? It's just a whole domino effect, especially when you start removing these items, when you start tearing down walls, when you start removing flooring. There's a lot of domino effect, especially in older homes, right? Is it level underneath there? You might have to level it out. That adds cost. So a refinish of a hardwood floor is a much more controllable expense in refinishing the floor and making the floor presentable to a end buyer. Sometimes you'll see hardwoods with big chunks out of them, right? I've had that before. You can replace those with, you can piece them together. If you have a good hardwood guy, shout out to mine, John. He's an awesome guy and a good friend of mine. He can do literally anything with hardwoods. This guy is like a magician with hardwoods. And say there's huge gaps in between the hardwoods, right? It looks like junk when you got a bunch of huge gaps. You can fill those. A good hardwood guy can fill those. He refinishes, fill those, stain it, and then repoly it. Right? So my recommendation, suggestion, refinish, replace, or cover hardwoods, refinish every single time. Right? If you enjoy this content, follow X Home Builds. Have a great week.